All right, y'all, so I'm at my hair appointment. You can say hello. She's in the back. You ain't gonna be able to see her though. That's Jerrikka. So she's gonna be installing my first frontal today.
Jerrikka.
What you do?
I do a lot of things actually. So I make wigs, I sell extensions, I install closures, frontals, box braids, feed-in braids, all types of different services that I offer. But I mainly, for the most part, focus on extensions and wigs.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We are going to be installing this beautiful unit, handmade by me.
Yes, girl.
For Somone. Here you can see this is Brazilian straight in 18, 20, and 22. So yes,
make it shake.
Beautiful. Okay.
Where are you located?
In Albany, New York.
Oh,
so
right.
Come see me.
And how can we book with you?
I have a booking link on Schedulocity, and you can also find me on social media, Jerrikka Somone, RRK.
There you are. Look at that. Edges where? Nowhere. Snatched.
Aren't they open until like 9? Are you close to there?
So now we're gonna be changing location because we had an issue. We have no wig caps, so we have to go to my house where I have wig caps. So we change the scenery. All right, y'all. Toodles.
Back in action. Oh no. Let's get your forehead clean. This is 91% alcohol.
It burns.
It might burn your eyes. Not your face. Unless you have some cuts. Looking beautiful.
I look like a penis.
Look at you. Oh. Hair hat? That's what my boyfriend calls my wigs hat.
He's like, you need to get your head off the floor. It's a hair hat.
Yes.
I feel paradise. Ooh, shit. You can take a look at the frontal. She gave me baby hairs. Looks really nice. So I'm really happy with it. I'm excited. I'm just kidding. Mad creepy. Anyways, but yeah, so finally comes to a close. It's now like after midnight. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, but thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next one.